traders US30 daily time frame. So we've got a couple of key levels. Okay, this is pushed down into this range over here, and we can see that it's tapped into these sell stops, and the reaction off that level has pushed it all the way back up. So it's coming back down for another go at it, and my bias is bearish given how obviously under pressure this is at the moment. My next target is this level under here, but I've got a certain criteria that I need to be met before I get involved with this. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Okay, 4H is it? Do that? Can I? No. Okay, hang on. We'll go down to a 4H. And yeah, this is what I'm looking for, guys. We've got this point of interest through here, bearish imbalance, 4 hour time frame. Mark it up, label it, and if you grab the Fibonacci, yeah, this price action is pretty wild. Grab the fib, high to low, and I'm looking for, bear with me for a sec, do it again. I'm looking for the pullback. Oh, I've lost my markup. Bear with me. I'll just mark that once again. All right, we're looking at this imbalance. I'll just label it again. Imbalance. Yeah, okay. So the midway point of this imbalance coincides with the this 50% retrace. Okay, 50% of this previous price swing. So this is equilibrium. I'll be looking to get short if this plays out. Let me just show you what I'm looking for. Hang on, go down to a 15. All right, now if it doesn't play out, then we abandon the idea. But what I'm looking for now, I've lost my, bear with me, I'll just pull that back. Yeah, the kind of thing I'm looking for here is for this to trend. I want to break structure here, trend up, and I want to see it move into my point of interest and yeah, range. And then you want to see the volatility kick in, a run on these stops, and then the displacement. And then I'll be looking to short it on the pullback retest of the range. Now, this can play out. It could play out anywhere. It could play out here. It could play out a bit higher. Okay, so the first port of call is the imbalance. Second port of call is going to be up around this bearish order block up in here. All right. However it works, I think the key thing is we need to see this trending and then a break of market structure, BOS, and the retest. Okay, we'll just mark that. And then the retest of this range low, and then that's my entry short. All right, so whether it plays out here, up higher, heaven forbid, even above up here, but that'd be a bit. I wouldn't be shorting it up above here. I think the bottom line for me would be this imbalance. Let's just put it this way: if it pushes through the high of the imbalance, I'm going to abandon the idea. All right, so I'm just going to make that a thing here. So I'll leave a note. All right, having trouble with my mouse. Right, there it is. Okay, if price moves above this level, I will abandon this idea. All right, or this trade. All right, that's it. That's my bottom line. It's got to hold here, but what I want to see here is it breaks structure bearish around this this level, and then my entry point will be, okay, if the above holds, comma, then entry short on break of structure. Yep, that's my plan of attack with the US30. Guys, comment, share your thoughts, let me know what you're thinking, and I would love to, definitely love to hear from you down below in the comments section. With that, I hope you have a fantastic day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.